everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Today's a gorgeous day for garage selling, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to show you how I hunt. Okay, so we're walking up to our first garage sale, and I want to give you some tips and tricks of how I hunt and what I look for. I love this season. It's fun to just be outside. Sometimes when working in front of a computer all the time, it gets a little bit laboring, but we've got a bunch of like miniature toys and figurines, and sometimes you can find real good collectible ones. There's some old kids books, an old game piece, and I look for a lot of new in box type of things, but sometimes you can't. Now that I'm running a Posh website, I start to look at clothes a lot more than I used to. Here's some Hot Wheels car sets in very good condition, some decorative pumpkins and seasonal decorations. People always buy those. So if you're a flea market seller or even a garage seller yourself, these are good things to pick up to flip. There's some things that are new in box. Those are computer games. I scanned them. They weren't actually worth anything. I actually thought about getting this for when I go to the flea market to put things in. Here I am at another garage sale. They have lots of boxes of just various different things. Lots of glassware. You always find lots of glassware. So if you are a collector of glassware, garage sales are great places to pick up specific items and pieces so that you can flip it on eBay or even other avenues so that you can sell it really well, especially if you know what you're looking at, like depression glass and things like that. There's some more clothes, some really good styles. Everything is in really nice condition at this particular garage sale. And so I looked through some of the name brands. We ended up buying that shirt there, and we're putting it on our Poshmark website, and so I'm excited to be able to make some money on that. Here we are at another garage sale. There's a Keurig with the stand and everything. I would have bought that for myself had I not already had one. Some bar stools. I don't generally do things that large because they're difficult to ship. There's another rack of clothing out here. I believe we bought about 3 articles of clothing here that we're going to put on Poshmark. I think one of the articles was actually a Tommy Hilfiger jacket that we already have posted on Poshmark, so we're really excited about that. So just a lot of various different things. There were tons of garage sales here. We were actually having our citywide garage sale in our little town that we live in. Some computer bags, some decorative items, lots of decorative items, and so if you have a really neat way of displaying that, those are going to be good things for you to be able to sell. So various different kitchenware items and glassware. Like I said, if you're a glassware nut, you will go crazy. Lots of clothes. I generally don't pick up children's clothes simply because that's not a high-end market, but women's clothes, women's shoes, and some very distinct men's clothes is what I usually look at. Here's another garage sale that we went to. I'm just jumping from garage sale to garage sale. But some golf clubs, those sell really well. The little game board, tons and tons of children's shoes, and some of them look almost brand new. So, and those sell really good on Facebook sites and eBay, things like that. So clothing, even if you have children's clothing, maybe it's your own child or whatever, Facebook sites are usually a really good place to sell those kinds of things. Some people even put them on Craigslist because they don't cost anything. Poshmark is also another way to sell that. And there's a good community there for Poshmark. Lots of baby stuff. Very, very good condition at this lady's garage sale. She was really, really nice. And I haggled a little bit with people, but most of the people I bought from had stuff that was just priced really, really well. So we're going to just look around a little bit more. Some really nice Disney stuffed animals in fantastic condition, and those Learn Leapfrog ones. Here we are at another garage sale. They actually had a full Santa suit. They have the top hanging there, and then in a box they had some other stuff that belonged to the suit. Really fun retro chair. So if you're a Craigslist seller, these things would be great. I generally don't sell large items, only items that I can ship. So we've got some other seasonal items. I had one day of garage selling. I found some really cool stuff I think I'm going to make some good money on. I'm just relaxing here on my hammock outside. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.